Want to analyze international shipment routes between countries? Let's use Excel to build a dynamic shipment matrix using the COUNTIFS function. I've got a table of shipments here, showing the departure country and the destination country. To get a full view of how goods are moving globally, I'll build a matrix. Countries on the side as rows and destination countries across the top as columns. We will be using COUNTIFS function. Let's start in G4. The first criteria range is the departure country, so select all and lock the range by pressing F4. The criteria for this is the country row, so select the first one and lock the column as we will drag it down. The second criteria range is the destination country. Select all countries and lock the range as before. The criteria will be the destination country. Let's lock the row this time. Now we can drag it across and down. Here you have it. We have a complete shipping matrix. This is part 11 of our 500 plus Excel tips and tricks playlist. If you like this bite-sized tutorial, subscribe for more daily Excel insights and productivity hacks.